Welcome. In front of me is an HTC U Ultra, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the recovery mode. So to get started, let's power off the device. Wait for it to shut off, and then we can hold power key and volume down. Okay, so now the device is off. Power key, volume down. And when you see the HTC logo, you can let go. And from here, using volume keys, you want to select Reboot to Bootloader and press power key to confirm it. And then you want to select recovery mode, again using volume keys, and confirm mode with the power key. And when you see this icon, what you want to do is hold power key and tap volume up, so like so, and then you should be in the recovery mode. So from here, as you can see, you can reboot the reboot system, which will just go back to the Android, reboot to bootloader, which will go back to our first page that we were once we were holding power key and volume down. You can apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache partition, run some tests, and power off the device. And you select each one of them as you did before using volume keys and confirm it with power key. So I'll just leave this mode by selecting reboot system now and press power key to confirm it. And now the device will boot back up into the Android system. Let me just confirm the, oops, oh, let's do that once more. Okay. So now that I confirmed it, it should now enter lock screen. And there we go. Okay, so if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.